Alright, here we have a little Carrier Tech2000 Carrier Round 1 Duo. Neither of them are running right now, but I figured I'd fill them anyway. It's got a reciprocating compressor, of course. Try to make this quick, this area is kind of sketchy. 1990, 1.5 ton. And I don't think that's been running. Here's this Carrier Round 1. It's also got some kind of recip in there. And this is a heat pump. There's the reversing valve right there. This is where the logo was at one time. Here's the data. 1988 2-ton. And yeah. Just figured I'd get a quick shot of this. You may remember that 1966 Carrier I filmed with Grayson last summer. I think this is where it used to be. It got replaced with a Trane XR. I think it used to be right in there. Yep, this is from 2024. It's a 3.5 ton. That's a bummer. Right here. Some 21 2-ton. Working decent. And yeah, these have Copeland scroll compressors. Here I have a pair of really strange looking York Latitude units. I don't know if these are Latitudes or not, but that's what they look like. Bristol. I can't read the data sheet on that. Hopefully I'll be able to code that. Here's a beastly sounding Rheem plastic bag. Got a Copeland reset. From 1991, I think it's a 2-ton, and it's working all right, but not fantastic. There's a little cat in the window right there. Couple old York Stellars here. It's gonna be cool coming out of that one. Probably a Bristol compressor in there, I'd imagine. Here's one more.
What's up, everyone? Andrew B123 here,